Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the Welder generator reviews. You can buy right now. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So let's get started with the video. Our first best pick, Lincoln Electric Ranger 305 Multi-Process Welder Generator. Lincoln Electric features heavily in this review because they are the main manufacturer of welder generators. This is part of the Ranger models of welder generators, with this one being the more powerful. It's a DC/AC welder, so you can switch between the two, especially if you want to switch to TIG welding aluminium, and a unique chopper start system that starts an arc easily and reduces spatter as well as enhancing the bead appearance. It has a Kohler engine with a fuel capacity of 12 gallons, and it has a duty cycle of 100% at 305 amps at 29 volts. This is a powerful welder generator, with a rated wattage of 9,500, easily enough power to tackle the toughest tasks. This welder generator is easily powerful enough to tackle the hardest jobs, and when you need the power, this welder generator delivers. Lincoln Electric are famed for their attention to quality and detail. This model is no exception, with a sturdy casing enclosing the components and engine. It is hard-wearing and ideal for the job site. This model tackles stick, TIG, MIG and flux cord welding, as well as switching between AC for TIG welding aluminium, and DC for general purpose welding. Our second best pick. Hobart Champion Elite Engine Driven Welder Generator. This is a great generator if you can get your hands on it. It's easy to use and no hassle to set up, with both 120V and 240V receptacles and easy to reset circuit breakers. The generator itself is electric start, always A+, I hate rip cords, and it generates a steady 11,000 watts of AC power, a good bit more than most of these. It is, of course, also perfectly compatible with DC welding and is designed primarily for stick, scratch start, as well as flux core and TIG welding. It has a standard 12-gallon fuel capacity, but clocks in a little lighter than most units of this size. Not by much in the grand scheme, about 20 to 30 pounds less, but enough to squeak it in under some less generous weight capacities. This thing has excellent power output, giving you 23 horsepower to play around with, as much as Lincoln's 305, and quite a bit more than most other units on this list, which clock in at between 15 and 20 horsepower for the most part. If you're looking for a unit with the power of the 305 and a lot less expensive, the Hobart Champion Elite has you covered, so long as you don't miss Lincoln's chopper tech. Our third best pick. Tomahawk TWG 210A 15 horsepower engine driven welder/generator. The Tomahawk is a great budget option for welder generators, costing about a quarter what the top of the line models cost, while still being a quite respectable generator. The main rub here is it only has a 2000 watt power output, meaning it's really only going to power one, maybe two things. That makes it perfect for smaller jobs, like farm work, where welding is going to be an infrequent but occasionally critical task that needs to be done far away from a power source. Keep in mind this is an inverter generator, which makes it fairly energy efficient, but maybe less reliable than traditional transformer generators. Still, for what it is, and especially for the price, this generator is great. It comes with a TIG welding starter kit and is compatible with all welders, MMA, MIG, stick, TIG, and flux core. It is an electric start, push-button generator, making it easy to get up and going without any finicky clutch and pull string systems. A 7-gallon fuel capacity rounds things out, giving it a roughly 7-hour operating capacity, maybe a lot more. It's hard to tell with generators with less than 5,000 watts of output, since fuel to power output to longevity isn't quite a linear function. Product link given in the description box below. Our fourth best pick. Miller Bobcat 250 engine driven welder. Miller always makes top quality machines, but their prices generally sit at the higher range too. The engine-driven welder, Bobcat 250 generator isn't cheap, but it's in a reasonable range, and for what it offers we believe it's the best machine available. It's been designed to create a smooth current that doesn't spike up and down like most generators, so the welds are consistent. This gives you much more accuracy in your welding as opposed to traditional welder generators. It also runs a 100% duty cycle at full amps to ensure you have constant maximum power available. The machine is heavy duty to withstand years of use, even at this high running rate. It's a heavy machine, but Miller has reduced its size significantly from older models to make it easier to transport. It would be nice to have welding gear included with it, but for what it offers, the price gives no tolerance to add extra gear. We recommend this quality machine to anyone wanting the best welder generator at a lower price than many other options. Our fifth best pick. Lifon Weld Pro Engine-Driven Welder Generator. Lifon's Pro Series Weld Pro AXQ1 200A is a 200 amp generator welder that's a steal for the price it comes at. It runs 4000 watts of continuous AC power and can weld at 200 amps with a 50% duty cycle, which is impressive for the size engine it has. It's a much easier machine to transport at only 210 pounds, and with a 3-year warranty, you can have confidence it's made from quality parts. It doesn't have the largest fuel tank at 6.5 gallons, but it runs a lot longer than most other welder generators this size. We were very impressed with this machine, and have ranked it the best for your money. It won't run to the same standard as the Hobart and Miller machines in our top 2 spots, but it still puts out 200 amps, and the price is incredibly low. We publish new content every day, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thank you for watching.